2025 Yamaha XSR 125, a retro-modern marvel. Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes, your go-to channel for the latest updates on stylish and powerful motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha XSR 125, a retro-inspired yet modern machine that blends classic aesthetics with cutting-edge performance. Classic styling with a modern touch. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 continues Yamaha's heritage of retro motorcycles with a design that pays homage to classic cafe racers. It features a round LED headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and a minimalist tail section, giving it a timeless appeal. The high-quality aluminum components and premium paint options enhance its visual charm, making it a head-turner on the streets. Performance and engine specifications. Under the retro exterior, the XSR 125 houses a 124 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering around 15 horsepower. This engine is derived from Yamaha's proven R125, ensuring reliability and strong performance for urban commuting and occasional highway runs. A 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth power delivery, making it an exciting option for beginners and experienced riders alike. Lightweight chassis and ride comfort. The Delta box frame keeps the XSR 125 lightweight yet sturdy, offering agile handling in city traffic and stability on open roads. The ergonomics are designed for comfort, with a well-padded seat and a slightly upright riding position. Upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock provide a balanced ride, absorbing bumps with ease. Technology and features. Despite its vintage look, the 2025 XSR 125 doesn't fall short on technology. It boasts a full LCD instrument panel, providing essential ride data at a glance. ABS-equipped disc brakes on both ends ensure confident stopping power, while LED lighting all around enhances visibility and efficiency. Yamaha's variable valve actuation (VVA) technology optimizes power delivery across different RPMs, making the ride more responsive. Why the XSR 125 stands out. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 is a great choice for riders who want a balance of style, performance, and practicality. Its combination of classic looks, modern engineering, and everyday usability makes it a standout option in the lightweight motorcycle segment. Whether you're a new rider or someone looking for a stylish commuter, this bike offers an exciting ride with Yamaha's legendary reliability.